All right, the instructions for this say determine two coterminal angles, one positive and one negative, for the given angle. Okay. I think we did 4A and 4B. No, we did 2A and 2B. So coterminal, that just means it ends with the same ray. This is the terminal ray. Because we start with this that you tell by this little arrow. So this is the terminal ray. They're saying a coterminal angle would be an angle that starts here and also ends here, but is a different theta value. So first, what I'm thinking is there's a bunch of different ways to get this ray to be there. First, I can just start on this ray and then move up pi over 9. Whatever angle that is. I'm not familiar with how much pi over 9 is. All I know is that it's less than pi over 6. So it's smaller than 30 degrees. But we don't even need to know that. I could go pi over 9. And then I could go all the way around again. And I would land on this ray, right? Yeah. So that the angle that I just drew, this big angle here, that would be a coterminal angle. That's what that means, if you didn't know what that means. So how much in radians, how much is it from here to here? How many radians? 2 pi. It's just a full circle. So the first angle would be, I would start here, and I would go up pi over 9, and then I would continue for another 2 pi. So the first theta, the positive theta, will be, I guess I can say the positive one, would be whatever 2 pi plus pi over 9 is. And you could get a common denominator, and you could do all that stuff, and I don't really care about it right now. It's just simple stuff. What would that be? 9, 18, 19? 19 pi over 9? I guess we'll write it. So that's one positive angle that lands on the same ending ray. You could go another time around. You'd add another pi. So you could say pi over 9 plus 4 pi. That would also be a coterminal angle. To get a negative one, you could just start at pi over 9 and then go backwards, right? That would be the same thing as subtracting 2 pi. So it would be pi over 9 minus 2 pi, whatever that comes out to be. Does that make sense? So let me write that down. The negative theta, that's, that's bad. I'm not going to do that. Would be 2, no. You go up to pi over 9, and then you subtract 2 pi. That's just going to the same position, and then going around the circle, but in the opposite direction. And this would be, what, 1 minus 19 over 9 would be negative 17. And then you have a negative and a positive value for theta. Do we need to do B? Do B. Do we need to? I don't think he's laughing at my joke.